Manual entrance examinations like papers, answer keys, and questions are typically used in entrance exams at schools. Based on the school's answer key, the results are manually reviewed by the person in charge of it, and the manual checking of papers is time-consuming. That's why KURSONADA is here to make the examination procedure better and modern, fast, hassle-free, and will minimize the work of the facilitator. So, what is KURSONADA? KURSONADA is exclusively for freshmen and transferees that offers courses they fit in. It is also called as preference. A course preference. KURSONADA's goal is to enable both the examinee and the facilitator to take admission exams quickly and easily, administer them conveniently, and receive exam results quickly. Here are some examples of our system's content. First, the homepage. Second, the registration page. Next, the login page. Next, the admin page. And lastly, the student page.